Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a simple cube in Inkscape. It is really important when you want to create a 3D object. So first you need to do is go to the upper side and click on extensions. Then you will see here a lot of really useful functions. We need to go to render, 3D and 3D polyhedron. I click on this option. Now this window will be displayed here. Check if you are in model file mode and from object select cube. Now I recommend you to check this option, live preview. After that we need to go to view and on the rotate around I recommend you to select X axis. Then on the rotation we need to type 5 and now on then rotate around we need to check Y axis, so I click on this, and in rotation we need to type -25. Okay, now we have here cube, we need to click apply. We need to close this option and our cube has been successfully created here. But we can always rotate this cube. Now I recommend you to click on selector tool and select all objects here. Now if you will click second time, you will be able to rotate your cube to the position that you want to use. So for example, I will choose this one position. Of course, you can change dimensions of this cube by clicking outside the cube and select it again. And you can slide the arrows to the right or to the up, and it's like this working, yeah? And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to create a cube in Inkscape, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel. That's really helped me to develop my channel. And that's it. Thanks you for watching.